Hello YouTube fam, welcome to my channel, and if you're new, feel right at home. So my name is Luvuno K, and I am so very glad that you clicked on this video to watch. Thank you so very much. So in today's video I bring to you my morning routine, my updated morning routine with a bit of some cleaning motivation. So I hope that you enjoy today's video. So I wake up at 5:45 a.m. in the morning, and the first thing that I do is to say a gratitude prayer. Another habit that I got from a young age is to make my bed, because it's the first accomplishment of the day. So that's what I do after my gratitude prayer in the morning. So after making my bed, I normally tie my hair into a manageable style, and then brush my teeth before I start on all the morning tasks. So I have noticed lately that I've been adding weight, especially on my tummy area. So I have started incorporating a workout routine in the morning that targets my tummy area, or what they call the core area. And I started this last week, and I'm still struggling with it, as you will see in some of the parts of this clip. But what I say is slow and steady growth. So I normally do this workout for about 30 minutes in the morning, and you might notice that some of the forms that I'm forming in this video are not correct, but I'm still a beginner, so please don't come at me. And if you have any word of advice on how I can improve on all these forms, please leave it in the comment section. I will really highly appreciate it. Then after the workout, I immediately shower. Now for the showering, I don't have a diving deep routine. I just use a normal beauty soap and water and it does the job. Also nowadays I work from home a lot, so I don't use perfume. So I'm just going to be using the body lotion, the body splash, and make my hair and just start my day. So then I do a little touch-ups in the living room, then open the curtains. The sun is now out, and there is a lot of light, so I'm opening the windows for fresh air and natural lighting in the living room area. By now it's about 7:30, and nowadays the sun rises up really early, so it's bright. It's all bright and shining outside. So another habit that I cultivated into my morning routine is to use the mixture of Downy fabric softener and water to spray on my curtains and carpet and a little bit on my sofa to ensure that the house smells fresh for the entire day. So then I get into the kitchen and wash yesterday's dirty dishes. So normally when I cook, I try to use the wash as you go method, but one way or another, dirty dishes just find a way to pile up at night, and this is the time that I use to wash them. So I'm not a breakfast person, so after I'm done with the dishes, I'm quickly going to fix some bhajia that I will take for brunch. Right now it's currently around 8:20, and I'm frantic because I have about 40 minutes to finish all of this process. So I'm going to leave the ingredients for making the bhajia in the description box, and also how to make them. But in the meantime, I'm also going to leave some captions on the screen showing you process by process how to make them. So it's now around 9:20 or around 9:30. I am late. I am so late, and I'm going to start on a few work stuff and finish a few of my personal errands. That is in terms of work, and this has become also my personal work from home station. It's working for now. I will upgrade soon, but right now it works, and I will see you during brunch time. So it's now my lunch break, and I'm going to be taking the bajia that I made. I'm also going to be taking a sausage and some hot chili. And for some reason I don't like tea, so I'm going to be taking some yogurt with it. So I will be taking this meal while watching one of my favorite shows. And that marks the end of my morning routine. Thank you so very much for watching this video until now. So I really appreciate your support. Please remember to subscribe because it goes a long way in supporting this channel's growth. Thank you, and hope to see you next week. Bye.